Hello, this is just a quick and dirty video on how to go from pH or get to pH or pOH from H plus or OH minus. So we're going to use a formula here called negative log of the hydronium ion concentration to find pH. A lot of people get confused on this. Just ask yourself, am I looking at this from the pH perspective or the pOH perspective? Am I looking at it from an acidic point of view or a basic point of view? So first I'm going to do a problem looking at it from the acidic point of view, and I'm using an acid. If you do not have that, you may want to switch that right off the bat. You can use the prior video to help you with that. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to type in negative log of the 0.75 molar. So to type this in, I'm going to do it with you here. I'm going to do negative log 0.75. And you'll see that I get an answer. I'm going to use 3 sig figs there. 0.125 is my pH. Notice there's no unit on that pH. I know that probably bothers you. It bothers me. But there's no unit on that pH. Okay, the next problem we're going to look at is strontium hydroxide. Finding a pOH. How much of a base is this really strong base? So notice we have a 2 here. So what do we do with that concentration? From the last video, we saw that we double it. So that means we're going to do negative log of 0.010 molar. And again, because of this 2, I doubled this number in my head. So once again, we'll go to my handy dandy calculator. Negative log 0.01, and I get simply 2. So the pOH equals 2. Okay, that was pretty simple. But what if we have to go backwards? What if we have the pH and we're looking for the H plus? Now this gets a little tricky, so pay attention. We've got to go to the 10 carat negative pH. So let's see if we can try that on this one. 10 raised to the negative 3.4. Let's see if we can do that on our calculator. 10 carat negative 3.4. Enter. If you don't want to count zeros, second psi, and that will give you the concentration of 3.98 times 10 to the negative 4th molar. And that is the H plus concentration. Okay, that was pretty good. What if we have the next one, we're finding the OH minus, but we're given the pH? Uh-oh, I don't like this at all. How much of a base is pH? I need pOH to look at it from the base perspective. So I'm going to say 14 minus 8.5 to look at it from the different perspective. And I'm going to get the pOH is 5.5. Now, knowing that, I can just do what we did on the last problem. 10 carat negative 5.5. So we'll go 10 carat negative 5.5. And we'll get the pOH of 3.16 times 10 to the negative 6th molar. That is a 6 there. Okay, I hope this helped, and we'll have another video in just a second on titration.